So if you look down at this video down below the description, there's a link for my referral Bybit. So if you click that referral Bybit, you can get up to 6,045 USDT, right? 6,045 USDT. Of course, there's term and condition that you have to complete. So after you click on that link, it will pop up here. So it will ask you to sign up using Google, right? You don't do that first, right? If you do that, you will not get the bonus. Instead, you will want to use email, right? Use email and normal password and the referral code to get this bonus and press create account and do some verifications. So then it prompts you to do some email verifications. You just need to copy and paste the referral code and then it will show up with this. Enjoy 20%, $20 for your welcome reward. Claim now and then it will come up with this 1,025 USDT referral task, right? This is a task that you need to do to get all these rewards. So basically, you just deposit money, right? It's actually very simple. So here I click 20 USDT claim, and then I can use the rewards or I can view the rewards. And right now, I would not want to use it first. Right now, I need to verify my account first. So by clicking on verifications, you can see that this account is unverified. I need to do some verification first. So after you verify level 1 verifications, then only I can do deposit money, I can do trading, P2P trading, and so on and so forth. So let's get started. So now let's do some verifications. I want to verify now. Right. I can select ID cards, passport, or driver license. I think I will select ID cards recommended. So use a valid government issued identification document for verifications. Choose a different document type if you're previously verified other Bybit account, meaning you can open a lot of account. Ensure that the upload document is an original, right? And we cannot use Visa, right? I need to do selfie to prove that this license or this ID is yours, right? So I just confirm. I'm a resident from other countries. So right now it will ask me to use phones, right? Create icon. It will ask me to access the phone to snap the picture of my ID, right? So I press continue to phone. So it will come out with this here, right? Ask you to choose whether you want to use Malaysia and use ID cards and press next. They'll ask you to take selfie and then like this we are verified. Here you show identification verified. So after we verify our identifications, you need to press return. Right now I am level 1 verified. So yeah, this is pretty much how I do it. So it's very simple. Now I have all these bonuses that I can do. I can do P2P trading, P2P transactions and trading as well, and deposit. I don't really need to deposit so much, right? For the level 2 verification bonuses, I don't really have to deposit so much, so I will not upgrade. Now let's try to link our account, right, to get a phone. So let's link our numbers, our phone number, Malaysia, then my phone number. I need to send a verification code. Then I use my phone number verification. Now we are linked with phone number. So let's set up this Google 2FA authenticator. So after you download the application, so go to your account right here and then press account and security. Then we'll go to this Google 2FA authenticator settings. And then let's do these verifications. Almost there. Okay. And then, so I need to go to my email to verify my code. And then let's scan this using the applications, right, of my authenticator, Google Authenticator. So now that I set up this Google two-factor authenticator, and I also link my phone number, I can right now use Bybit. So the next video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to deposit some money from Malaysian Ringgit to USDT and start trading. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!